One of the most common questions I get asked is how do I set up my copy trade settings on Tradewiz? So I'm going to show you right now from scratch. So you put the name here. So I'm going to put mine as name. You put in the wallet address here. And here's where you put how much you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy 0.4, 0.3, put 0.3 here. And let's say you only want to buy the token one time. You put it here. You put one over there, and unrenounced, don't buy, unburned, don't buy. These are safety measures to keep your account safe. You want to copy all the dexes, so leave these on true. Market cap, you don't really need to play with. If you're copying the cells of the wallet you're copying, you want to leave this on true. You can also copy cells by ratio position, which means if they're taking profits, you're taking profits with them. You can also set auto retry, so if your transaction fails up to 3 times. Gas fees, that depends on how much you're playing with. Tradewiz has a gas estimation feature here where it tells you what's high, what's very high, what's low, what's medium. And next, you want to, if you're playing with a small amount, you keep anti-MF turned off. If you're playing with more than $100, I would recommend you turn it on. For slippage, because I don't like to buy coins that pump so hard, I leave mine at 20% all around. And you can also set up auto sell and do your take profits here. So for example, if I want to, take at 100%, take 50% of my position, I could do that and keep adding. You can add as many as you like. You can also set a stop loss. So let's say I want to sell at 30%. I could do that, sell 100% of my position. And once you're happy with your settings, click create and you're good.